Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. As a part of our device form plugin series, in this video I provide step-by-step guide to connect a real device with the APM device form. Okay, till now if you observed my previous videos, I am working with the device form with the Android emulator. Okay, in this video we'll see what are the steps we need to follow to connect the real device with the device form plugin. Okay, before continuing with our concept, you can just find my digital print feed by the APM guide. Okay, all the scripts whatever we're discussing in our videos. Okay, APK files and configuration files you can find from my APM guide GitHub. Okay, you can just clone this GitHub or you can go to this GitHub. You can find all the scripts. Apart from that one, I have around created 200 plus articles on only on APM and whatever I discuss in the videos. Okay, all the topic will be available as an article under the APM guide. Okay, in the Medium. In the Medium, just type at the rate of APM guide. You can find all my topics, all my articles on the APM. Okay. Apart from that one, you can visit my blog. That is the APM guide by Kodumu Ramesh. Here, I have separated each and every topic as a page, and each page contains the two sections here. That is the articles, the read the articles, and the video series here. So you just click on this links, you can see the articles. Okay, just go to this article. So this is all about my digital print feed by the APM guide. So coming back to our topic, that is the step-by-step guide to connect a real device with the APM device form. Okay, so as a part of this topic, I'll cover few steps here, around 10 steps I'll going to cover here, step by step here. Okay, that is the first one is to connect real device, physical device here. So I will take some few minutes here how to connect this physical device. Okay, so here I'll just connect with the visor, and then I'll show what are the steps, developer options we need to have to connect with the device form, and we create the mirror of a real device with the Android studio. Is the three steps we cover to connect the real device with the our machine. Okay, so I open the visor. So already I have connected the real device with the laptop. So visor automatically detected the Android device here. Just click on view device. Okay, so it's able to view device here. So I have opened the developer options. Under this developer options, I have enabled this option developer options here. So here also what are the options we need to enable it here. Okay, under the debug, you can see under the debug, I have enabled the USB debugging. Okay, that is switching to debugging mode when USB is connected. Okay, and I have enabled one more option is the install via USB. Okay, allowing installing API apps via USB and USB debugging. It is security setting. So allow granting permission and simulating input via USB debugging. Okay, and one more is the verify byte code of the debugging apps. I have enabled here. And one more thing we need to enable disable the one option is the verify apps over USB. Okay, what exactly option 2? It checks app installed via ADB, okay, or ADT for harmful behavior. So these are options we need to enable and disable here. So just recap here. So we have to enable the developer options. Under the debugging section, we have to enable the USB debugging, install via USB, and USB debugging security setting. And we have to disable verify apps over USB. Okay, and we have to enable the verify bytecode of the debuggable apps. So these are the settings we need to do under the developer options. Okay, now the next one is the, so we have done with the visor, connect to the visor here, and we have gone through the developer options. The next one is to open the Android Studio. We are doing the sorry, and we are working with the physical device. So for that one, I need to have the mirror. Okay, so I am doing the mirroring here. So if you see, I am using the Xiaomi 2109-116A. That is my name of the Android device. Okay, we have the option here that is to start mirroring. Just click on here. So mirroring will happen. Yes. So all three steps we have done under the connecting a real device. Connecting, we are connected with the visor, and we have I explained what are the options enabled and disabled under the developer options, and we have the mirror of the real device with the Android Studio. Okay, now we launch the APM server with the plugin device form. So appium-ka keep alive timeout. Okay, use hyphen plugin equal to device form hyphen pa, that is the base path wd hb, and double hyphen plugin hyphen device hyphen form and platform equal to Android. Okay, click on it. So we are starting the APM server with the device form plugin. Please note that it is not straightforward like as you have working with emulator. Emulator have no issues connecting with the device form. But we had to some certain settings when you are connecting the real device with the APM device form. Okay, so our device form plugin is active now. Okay, so we have launched APM server device form. Try to connect the real device. Here we have some errors here. We see whatever errors and how to resolve these errors here. That is our main topic here. Okay, open the browser and just type localhost :4723 device form. You can see here automatically device form identified our real device here. Okay. Now, if I click on use device, here, when you try to connect our real device for first time, see it is for first time, it has not connected. It says session creation failed, unable to create a new device session. Okay, and it has given our message failed to create Android session, and it has given details here. Okay, so this is what I am trying to explain here. So when you are connecting your mobile device, real device with the APM device form, it may give some error message here. So we have to do the settings for the first time here. So what are the settings we need to do? Okay, as a part of this one, the first one is the okay. See, we launched APM server and tried to connect to real device. Okay, so we got the error message. So this is the part 6 steps we are connected. Now we had to resolve this issue. This is the main thing here. So first, how we had to resolve this issue? We had to install two APK files. That is the install device hyphen form dot apk file we need to install, and then we need to install the stream hyphen apk. These two apk files we need to install when you want to work with the device form with our real device. Okay, so first we need to install the device form apk. Okay, so if you see my GitHub, in my GitHub, just go to my GitHub and just say apk underscore files. You can find the apk file here. That is a device hyphen form dot apk. You just download this one and just install this file in your real device here. So I have already have this file with me. Okay, just have saved it locally. That is the apk underscore files here. So first the step is to install this device form apk file. Okay, this is the first step I need to install here. Okay, and this is to be manually we need to done, and this has to done only once. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll open the Android Studio. We have a mirror of our real device. Now, how to install this device-farm APK? Okay, so wherever we have this APK file, just click on the System Explorer and type CMD command prompt. Okay, you can see the command prompt was opened with this path here. Now, I will use adb.exe. Okay, install. Okay, here I need to provide the name of the APK file. So what are APK file I need to provide is a device farm APK file. Okay, adb-exe space install and name of the APK file dot extension with the APK. Here I need to provide the device-farm APK. Okay, here I am using the adb.exe to install the APK file here. Just click on enter. So here when you see the visor, it is asking us to allow here. Just I say click on enter, install. Okay, so it has given the pop-up to install the APK file here. Okay, so our APK file is installed. Now I want to view this APK file. See, here we have, see, device farm APK file is installed here. Okay, device farm APK file is installed in our machine here. Okay, now, okay, device farm APK file is installed. Now we have to install one more file is the stream.apk. Okay, we need to install stream.apk here. Okay, and already I have uploaded this apk file. Okay, in our GitHub here. Just go to this GitHub. You can find the stream.apk here. So you can download the stream.apk from this GitHub, APM guide GitHub, or you can find this APK file locally also. Okay, go back here. So where exactly you can find this stream.apk file in our locally in our machine. So for that one, just go to C drive. Under the C drive, click on users. Under the users, we have select the user in our machine. Just we have .apm. Click on this folder. Under this folder, we have node underscore modules. Click on this one. We have here appium-device-farm. Click on this one. Okay. Here you can find the lib, that is the libraries here. Click on here. Here we find the stream.apk. Locally, wherever you install your APM, okay, under the APM, we have the device form. Another APM device form, we have the libs. Then click on here. So here also just in the command prompt cmd and type adb.exe install this. Just a minute. adb.exe install. Okay, so this is I want to install it. See here we have make a note of here. Sometimes when you connect your real device, okay, and try to connect with your local host, okay, this thing automatically the APM device form try to install this APK. Automatically it installs sometimes. In some cases it not install. Okay, at that time we have to use this method here, installing the apk stream.apk file. Okay, otherwise when you start the AP device form right in our local host, automatically detects that apk file is not installed and it try to install here. So you need to allow to install it. Okay, if it not that happens, then you have to install manually here. So go to this path. Okay, go to this path and use the command adb-exe install stream.apk here. Okay, click on enter. Okay, it's successfully installed here. So now we'll go to our and studio and search for this APK file. So we have the APK file. See, we have the device form stream. Okay, APK file is installed here. So our device is ready to work with the device form plugin. Okay, now we can try again. We can try again. Now it has to connect with our device. Now it has to connect with our device here. Now it should not give any error message for us because we have installed the required APK files. This activity you need to do it only for once for each device. Okay. So next time onwards, we will not face this problem because we already installed the required APK files, okay, manually and by the device form itself. Just wait, it will connect the device and create a mirror image. That's it. So our device, real device is successfully connected with the our device form. Okay, so happy. So we got the, so we have gone through what are the settings we need to do to connect a real device. Okay, and we launched APM server and we seen the what is the error message we got and we resolve these issues. That is the install device from APK and install stream.apk here. So once again, we try to connect with the real device. It is connected here. Okay, it is connected. Now we will execute our first script here. Okay, and I'll go to the Eclipse. Under Eclipse, we have the com.appium-guide.device form. I create a separate package for this one. So just select any code here, copy this code, class here, and paste it in the same package. And just we need to rename. So what we are doing here, we are executing the first script. First script, just say first script on, let's say, on, on real device. Real device. Okay, I given the name as device form underscore first script on real device demo. Click on it. Okay, so our script is ready here. Just go through it. Yes, open this one. So here you need to do small changes here because it is a existing script for the video recording here. Just remove this all unnecessary code here and here I need to do some changes. So instead of device name, I had to use set UDID. Set UDID. So I need to provide the value here. Okay. So for that one, what we'll do, we run the adb devices to get the UDID of our device. This is the UDID. Just copy here and provide this value under the capability set UDID. That's it. So we have connected our real device and our script is ready here. Okay, I'm using the script here. So it is just open the WebDriver.io demo app and it provides a drag and drop here. Okay, here I using the set UDID and provide the value of this real device here. So our device, our real device is connected with the device form plugin. Okay, so whatever we perform in our real device, you can see it here. See here. Okay. So just minimize here. I want to see the execution in our device form. So I'll close this vysor. Okay, let it be. Okay. So device form, it is already mirrored here. So just click on right click and run as test. So this is the Android Studio view, and this is the script, and this is the device form. Okay, says install. Yes, install here. Now test execution will start. Yes. Yeah. So yes, successful. Yeah. See, we are connected with our real device, and we are running our first script here. So drag and drop. So the same script we have run executed in our emulator. Now we are executing this script in our real device. That's it. Okay. So we are able to connect our device with the device form, and we have faced some error issues. Okay, we have faced some errors, and we resolve the errors, and successfully we have connected with our device form. Okay, you can see here our real device is connected with our device form. Okay, so what are the steps we have done? Okay, the first one is, so I just go for a recap, quick recap. So to connect real device, okay, I have connected real device with the visor, and this is optional step. Okay, and I have explained the developers options here. That's why I connected with the. You can just see. Okay, that's why I connected with the visor. Okay, to show the developer options, what are the options we need to enable? Here I have under the debug section, I have enabled the USB debugging and install via USB and USB debugging. Okay, why I enable the install via USB? Because I need to install APK files. That's right. Okay, and USB debugging security settings, and then I say verify apps over USB. I have disabled this option and have enabled the verify bytecode of the debuggable apps here. So these are the settings I did in the developer options. Okay, and I have connected our real device with the Android Studio for getting mirror here. Okay, we got it here. So where I got it here is the from the device manager. I just select this option, mirroring, start mirroring. Okay, I got the mirror. Okay, and next what we did, we started the APM server with the device form. Okay, we have started the APM server with the device form. So same, I already explained the what exactly this command is. Okay, we started here. And when I try to connect the real device, we have faced some error message here. Okay, when you click on use device, you got the error message. So they, as we resolve this error message, this is very important here. And first, I have installed the device-form APK file. Where you can find this APK file, just go to my GitHub. Okay, in my GitHub APM guide, if you click on this APM guide, just click on repository, APM guide, click on this one. Here you can find apk underscore files. In apk underscore files, I have already uploaded the device-form apk. Just download here and just install this apk file. So I showed how to install here. So directly I open the System Explorer, click on CMD, and then I have used the adb.exe install space install device-form.apk. So it has successfully installed. So this is a step I had done for the device-form apk. And next step is the to install the stream.apk. So stream.apk I have already uploaded in the GitHub. Okay, you can see here stream.apk, and I have shown this one in our local also. In our local, just go to the users, select the user, and dot apm node underscore modules apm hyphen dev device hyphen form under libs. We have this stream hyphen apk. Just click on here and just select cmd here. Okay, just click on enter. Just use this adb.exe.install. Okay, already we had done this one. Okay, so this is the command I used here. Okay, wait. Yeah, so we have installed the stream.apk. Here we need to know that manually we can install the stream device form stream apk, or whenever you try to connect with the device form. Okay, so when I try to connect with the device form try to install this steam.apk file. Okay, just click on allow to install. Okay, so that is the step we have done, and then we click on the use device. Then automatically the device form able to recognize the device and is connected. So we have mirrored our real device with the device form. Okay, and next what we did, we connected the device form, and next we have executed our first script here. So what we did, I have taken the old script, okay, and just copy the script here, and the only thing I need to change is the set UD ID. Okay, so I got this ID by running this adb underscore this command adb devices. So I copy this one and given this capability as set UD ID. Okay, that's it. There's nothing change I did. Now we executed here. So we have performed we have executed our first script on real device with the device form. Okay, we have seen all the execution process in our device form. So this is how we had to do some settings we had to do for the first time here. Okay, so next time onwards directly plug and play it is here. Just connect it with our real device and go to this device form and just plug and play. Okay, the first time only we had to do it here. So if we see our real device here, you can able to find some APK files. You can see here, the scroll, see device form stream. So APK file is installed here. So this is how we had to connect with our real device. So you need to follow this process to connect APK, connect device form plugin with our real device, the physical device. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and all these things I will create one article and publish this article under the medium. Okay, so thanks for watching, and you can find this apk files under the appium github here. Okay, in this github you can be able to find it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.